Do you spend hours scrolling on Instagram or TikTok but don't know how to talk about it in English?
Then this episode is for you. Today we'll teach you how to talk about social media, likes, posts, followers, and everything in between in simple, natural English.
Stay with us till the end and you'll sound just like a native when chatting online or in real life.
Hey Sarah, you look busy. What are you doing on your phone?
Oh, hey Alex, I'm just checking my Instagram feed.
Nice. Anything interesting?
Yeah, one of my friends just posted a travel vlog from Thailand. It looks amazing.
Wow, that sounds fun. Do you follow a lot of travel accounts?
I do. I love seeing new places and food pictures. What about you?
I follow tech pages and a few English learning accounts. They post great tips.
That's cool. I also follow some motivational pages for daily quotes.
Do you post regularly?
Not really. I post maybe once a month. I'm not that consistent.
Same here. I sometimes forget to post, but I love checking stories.
Yeah, Instagram stories are addictive. You just keep tapping through them.
True. I often lose track of time watching reels.
Me too. Reels are short, but they keep you scrolling forever.
What kind of reels do you like?
Funny ones and language learning clips. I learn new phrases from them.
That's smart. Learning through entertainment.
Exactly. What's your favorite social media platform?
I like YouTube the most. I can learn, laugh, and relax all in one place.
Same. YouTube feels more real and useful.
Do you use TikTok?
A little, mostly for funny videos or quick life hacks.
I used to scroll on TikTok for hours before sleeping.
Oh no, that's dangerous. I try to stop before bed or I'll stay up all night.
Yeah, social media can be addictive.
Totally. But it's also a great way to stay connected.
True. I love how you can chat with people from all around the world.
And make friends who share the same interests.
Do you ever go live on Instagram?
No, I'm too shy for that. What about you?
I did once. It was fun. People ask me questions about English learning.
That's awesome. I'd love to try it someday.
You should. It helps build confidence.
Maybe I will. I just need to plan what to talk about.
How about your favorite movies or hobbies? That always works.
Great idea. I could also ask my followers questions.
Yes. Like, what's your favorite English word today?
That's fun. Do you reply to comments often?
I try to. I think replying builds a connection with followers.
I agree. It shows you care about your audience.
Do you get many likes on your posts?
Sometimes I don't focus too much on numbers, though.
That's a good mindset. It's better to post what you enjoy.
Absolutely. Social media should be about expression, not competition.
True. But it's hard not to compare sometimes.
Yeah, especially when others get thousands of likes.
Exactly. But remember, it's not about likes, it's about sharing.
That's right. I'd rather have 10 real followers than 1,000 fake ones.
Well said. Do you use hashtags in your posts?
Always. Hashtags help more people find your content.
Smart. I usually use tags like learn English or motivation.
Mine are more like good vibes only or weekend mood.
That's nice. Have you ever had a viral post?
Not yet, but one of my reels got a few thousand views.
That's great. What was it about?
Just a funny video about morning struggles. People related to it.
That's the secret. Relatable content.
Exactly. People like to see real life, not perfection.
So true. What do you think about digital detoxes?
I love them. I take a break every few weeks to clear my mind.
That's smart. I should try that too.
You should. It helps you focus on real life.
Do you ever feel pressure to look perfect online?
Sometimes, but I remind myself that social media isn't real life.
That's a healthy attitude.
Thanks. What about you?
I try to stay authentic. If I make a mistake, I leave it in.
That's great. Authentic content always connects better.
Totally agree.
So, Alex, what advice would you give to teens learning English through social media?
Follow English creators, comment in English, and don't be afraid to post short videos.
Yes, practice by writing captions in English too.
That's a great tip. Even simple sentences help.
Exactly. Social media can actually make learning fun.
So true. You can learn vocabulary, pronunciation, and even slang.
And you'll sound more natural in conversations.
So, guys, don't just scroll, learn while you scroll.
That's right. Use social media smartly and your English will improve fast.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, which social media app do you use most?
See you in the next episode of English Conversations.